Yet, he revealed that massive crowd was one of invisible extraordinary.
Ngunit sa gitna po ng mga napakaraming tao, ay meron pong isang tao po na kung saan disparado.
An old woman who had suffered from plague for 12 years.
Siya ay isang babae na kung saan ay siya ay nagturusa dahil sa 12 taon na inaagasan ng dugo.
This woman, 12 years forever.
12 taon itong babae ito na inaagasan ng dugo.
The Bible describes her life like this.
Nilarawan ng
24, 25 through 26.
mabasa po na ito sa Marcos Kabanata 5, talatang 25 hanggang 26.
And a woman was there who had been subject to plague for 12 years.
Ganong babae noon na inaagasan ng dugo sa loob ng 12 taon.
She had suffered great care under the care of many doctors.
Siya ay sinubukan po yung pumunta sa mga doktor upang pagalingin po siya.
And had spent all she had.
At kanya pong ginastos po niya yung napakaraming pera.
Yet, instead of,
Pamulawan po natin, tingnan po natin yung background po nito.
according to the Leviticus chapter 15,
Ayon po sa Leviticus Kabanata 15,
a person with a sexual condition was considered unclean.
ang ganong klaseng karamdaman po ay tinuring po na marumi.
This wasn't just a medical issue.
Hindi lang po ito issue sa medical.
It means social religious isolation.
Kapag meron ka ganitong karamdaman na ikaw po ay kanila pong ina-isolate,
But she